Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Mongo app weekly on settings. In this page, you click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above here, you will search about Mongo app and you click. In this page of app info, you click here on force stop and you click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here you click on clear cache. Then we go to Play Store. You will search about Mongo app. Here you will uninstall your app and you will install it again, so please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.